Today in the Eats with Twan kitchen, I'm using some good old airplane snacks to make banana pudding. I'm making a Biscoff banana pudding. That's right. This thing is going to be so amazing. It's going to be perfect for the holidays or whenever you want to have it. So let's get into this recipe. To keep this recipe nice and simple, I have all of the ingredients and measurements in the description box for you to follow. Is all there for you, okay? Now, I made a homemade whipped cream for this banana pudding. You don't have to go homemade. My recipe is pretty easy. It will be in the description box, or you can go store-bought. Now, for the pudding, we definitely need pudding for banana pudding, right? I'm using a half pack of French vanilla and a half pack of banana pudding. Mix those together and it makes a delicious combination, okay? Now, I just follow the box instructions, which calls for cold milk. Stir until the pudding thickens. Listen, here's the tip. Add some sweetened condensed milk to that, and it adds an amazing flavor and texture to the pudding. Now, if you're concerned about sweetness, you can adjust, but I use a 14-ounce can from the grocery store and I just stir to combine. Listen, and that's all you need to do. That's simple right there. Now, we're going to go ahead and set this aside in the fridge, let everything kind of sit, combine, and we're going to come back to it once we're ready to assemble our dish. Now, for the bananas, only slice your bananas once you are ready to assemble. You don't want the bananas to turn brown, so again, only slice the bananas once you're ready to assemble. I am using Biscoff cookie butter. Yes, delicious cookie butter along with the cookies. Now, for the cookie butter, you only need to microwave for about 30 seconds until it's melted. Just like that. We took the pudding out of the fridge. It's already set, nice and cold. Go ahead and add the whipped cream to that mixture. You want to stir to combine. Now the whipped cream, like I said earlier in the video, you could simply go store-bought or you can follow my recipe. I'll have that in the description. Make sure you stir to combine the mixture just like that. You can stir or fold. We just want everything to combine properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos from Eats with Twan. Alright, now listen. We're going to assemble. We have our Biscoff cookies. We have our cookie butter. This thing is about to be amazing. This is a great twist to the classic banana pudding. I'm telling you, everyone is going to love this dish if you bring it to the next family function. We have the holidays coming up. Now, of course, we can't forget the bananas. Go ahead and get your fancy dessert dish out. I'm using a trifle, or you can simply use some aluminum foil pans if you like. I am starting my first layer off by the Biscoff cookies. Then I'm topping that layer with the good old mixture that we made. The pudding, the sweetened condensed milk, and my homemade whipped cream, or your store-bought whipped cream, whatever you want to do. Listen, go ahead and make sure everything's smoothed out evenly. You want the cookies to soften from our mixture just like that. Simple. Now I'm adding the second layer of Biscoff cookies to the Biscoff banana pudding. So we have the first level of layer of cookies rather. Then we have the mixture of whipped cream and pudding and more cookies. Now, I'm putting the cookies, kind of doing a little aesthetic design for you all. So I'm putting the cookies set up that way so that way you can see it in a trifle bowl. Then I'm going to add the bananas. Now, for the bananas, you can add as much or as little as you like. It is your recipe. Do what you want with it. Now I'm adding the bananas on top of the cookies right here. Then I'm going to hit it with more of that mixture. Go ahead and spread that out evenly. Now you can do the layers however you want. This is just how I'm doing it. I really love the cookies. As you can see, I'm adding some more cookies to this banana pudding, Biscoff banana pudding. Now, more bananas, of course. You got to see the bananas. It's not banana pudding if you do not see the bananas. I don't care what they say. Real bananas go banana pudding. Now, I know y'all been waiting. Here we go. We add in the Biscoff cookie butter to our banana pudding. Listen, look at that. Add as much as you want. So I'm putting the bananas on top of that. Listen, this is going to be so amazing. When everything kind of meshed together, it's going to be so good. So I'm adding some more of that mixture on top of the cookie butter and the bananas and the cookies. Some more of that cookie butter. Add as much or as little as you like. The cookie butter adds a nice level of flavor to this dessert. And again, this is an awesome twist to a traditional dish. Layer however you like it. Just make sure you add that cookie butter in there. Now for the finishing touch, add some Biscoff cookie crumble on top. And listen, that's our finishing garnish to this delicious dish. This is our Biscoff banana pudding. Woo! Look at the cookie butter, the Biscoff cookies, those good old airplane snacks, the banana pudding, the French vanilla pudding, the bananas, all of that mixed in makes a great dessert. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe out. Shout out to all of my new followers and my current followers. Without your support, I would not be here. Thank you very much. But listen, now we got that out the way, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Who knew the airplane snacks would be this good in banana pudding? Listen, let me know in the comments if you try this recipe out. This thing was amazing. I ate so much of this off camera. This thing just had me shaking my head. Listen, this is Issa Twan. I catch you all next time on the next recipe, next video. Stay up.